Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's MaryBee of Hair by MaryBee, and on today's episode I'll be showing you my wash day routine. I'm so excited, I know you can tell. So I'll be showing you the products I use, how I wash my hair from the first step till the final step. And if it's something you would love to see, please stay tuned till the end of the video. If you like it at the end, you can drop me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and I'll really appreciate that. For my old-time subscribers, thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos, for always clicking, for always watching, and for always liking my videos. I really appreciate it. If it's the first time you're stomping into my video, you are highly welcomed. I appreciate you. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you are informed whenever I drop new videos. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Welcome back. So the product I'll be using this Ayurvedic hair shampoo from Hair by MaryBee. It's nourishing and revitalizing. It contains almond oil and jojoba oil. It promotes hair growth, relieves stress, and nourishes your scalp. It's very nice. You might want to try it out, but you can use any shampoo for your routine. So you can see that I had my hair in twists. I'm just taking out the twist. I had pre-pooed my hair with Hair by MaryBee Tru-Infusion hair growth oil earlier today because I couldn't do it yesterday. I was too tired. So I'm just taking out my twist. Then I have my white tooth comb I'll be using for detangling. Then I'm also using the HairSentric Moisturising hair conditioner by Hair by MaryBee. First off, I'll be detangling my hair. So after detangling, first step will be to go in with warm water. I use warm water to wash out my hair because of oil, because I want to take out all the oil and dirt. So the first step I'll be doing is to go in with warm water or mildly hot water, because I want to take out all the molds or the oil. I just find that hot water is more effective for me, so I always use hot water for washing my hair. So I don't have a water heater in my bathrooms. I can't be using the shower. I'll have to scoop from a bowl. So I'll first go in by wetting the hair, and then I'll go in with my shampoo. So you can see I just poured water on the hair just to make sure the hair is wet and ready to accept products. Then I'll be going in with the Nourishing shampoo. Just put it pea size. The shampoo is clear and it smells fruity. So I'll be going in with this first. You can decide to wash your hair in sections. I really don't have that time right now, so some days I wash my hair in sessions, in smaller sessions. I want to make sure that I saturate my hair with enough product. My hair is very dirty. I carried my braids for over 1 month, I think about 6 weeks, and with the harsh and sweaty weather in this part of the world, you can be sure that the hair actually got really dirty. Although I washed my braids once, so you can see I'm just making sure I saturate the hair with product. I'll do this for this other part, taking some more. So what I'm basically doing is just to make sure that I'm washing my scalp. You can see how I put my fingers underneath to the base of my hair, and I then, rub it in. Don't do your hair because it's going to tangle the hair, and we are trying to avoid that. So you're just going gently. Because my hair is dirty, I'll go in a couple of times till I'm sure my hair is clean. But if you wash your hair regularly, like weekly or by monthly, I'm not sure your hair will be this dirty. So I'm just going to do this, then I'll wash out the first shampoo out of the hair and go in with some more shampoo to ensure that the hair is properly clean. So back again, I'm going in with some more shampoo. My hair keeps hooking here and I can't take off this. Okay, you can see that the shampoo is even lathering better now because we washed out the first shampoo. So you can see now that the shampoo is even lathering better. So it was dirt that didn't let it work or lather properly the last time. I'm using the tip of my finger to do this. So I'm washing the hair now itself, not just the scalp. I want to get rid of dirt and build up on the hair, so I'm just basically washing. Yeah, you see how I'm washing it gently. I'm not tugging on it too much, and see that I'm working from my roots to my tips so that my hair doesn't tangle. I'll do the same thing for this other portion. One more time, going in my scalp. I'm just trying to ensure my scalp gets clean this time. So I'll be washing this out and then going in with the shampoo one more time. So I'm going in with the shampoo one more time. All the while I've been trying to wash out the dirt and build up from my hair, but now I want the product to actually work. You know, it's an Ayurvedic herbal product, so I'll just apply it on the hair and allow it to sit on the hair for some time, and also try to massage it into my scalp. That's what I'm basically doing here. So it says suggested usage: take generous amount of HairSential Nourishing shampoo and apply on wet hair. Gently massage into hair and scalp. Wait for minimum of 5 minutes before rinsing out. So I'm just going to let this sit for about 5 minutes and then I'll wash it off. I'm back after rinsing off. Next, I'm going in with the HairSentric Moisturizing Conditioner by HairbyMaryBee. I'll just put in some. You see the color. This is a braid salt conditioner. So I'm not deconditioning my hair. On days when I decondition my hair, I use different products to actually decondition the hair. So I'll be doing a video on that, how I decondition my hair. I'll make a video on that. I'm going in with some more conditioner. says leave to sit, like she leave the product on hair to sit for at least 15 minutes before rinsing out. So I'm just going to allow it sit for 15 minutes, then I'll come back and comb out the hair. So after applying this, I'll cover with my shower cap. Here's my shower cap. I'm just going to wear this with hair and allow it to sit for I'm going to allow this sit for a minimum of 15 minutes before I come back to rinse it out. It's 15 minutes later and I'm going to wash off the conditioner now. But before then, I'll comb out the hair just to detangle it, and then I'll come from the tips to the roots. Normally, the work of the conditioner is to soften the hair, and this conditioner does it nicely. Even if it's not a deep conditioner, it still does it nicely. So after detangling, I'm going to rinse out the conditioner. So this is the hair after rinsing it off. After rinsing out my conditioner, this is what the hair looks like. So I'm going to be patting it dry with my towel. So here you have it. So because my hair is of low porosity, I use the LCO method for my hair because I found out that the oil helps to lock in moisture into my hair. So I apply cream first before going in with the oil. So the next step in my wash day routine will be to apply cream on my hair. Welcome back, guys. So for some reason there was like a disconnect and I couldn't record the remaining part of process, but I'm just going to show you what I did. You can see my hair, I just put it in 2 cornrows basically. So after conditioning and rinsing off my conditioner, I went in with my cream, my hair cream. This is what I used, New Magic Conditioner Hairdress anti-breakage formula. So this is what I used as my cream. So because my hair is of low porosity, I use the LCO method, which is liquid, cream, then oil. So I use the oil to seal up my cuticles so that the products can still remain in my hair shaft. So I went in with this, just a little quantity. I applied it on my hair generously, and then I steamed my hair using a steam cap. So this is the steam cap I used for steaming my hair. I put my hair in the shower cap first before putting on my steam cap to steam the hair. So I steamed the hair for about 10 minutes before going in with my hair growth oil from HairbyMaryBee. And after I applied this, I still covered the hair and steamed it some more for another 10 minutes, making it a total of 20 minutes steaming before I patted it and put it in these 2 cornrows. I'm going to make other cornrows, like a flatter one, because I'll be using my wigs for a couple of times before eventually making my hair. So I'm going to put them in a more suitable cornrow for my wigs. So I told you, after I did this, I put on my bonnet and went to bed. Basically, that's just what I did. So I told you I was going to show you the entire breakage I had throughout this period of washing my hair, and this is it right here, right from the beginning, when I detangled, combed out my twist, when I shampooed, when I conditioned and combed out the hair. This is the entire breakage I had. So I told you, the pre-pooing your hair with oil. So I told you, pre-pooing your hair with oil helps you minimize breakage. Can you imagine? This is the entire breakage I had. Very minimal. You can try this. If you try it, let me know in the comment section. You will notice that your hair will shed very minimally or break less So guys, that's it for this episode, and if you're still here and you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button and join the community for more hair care tips and tricks. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So signing out now. Thanks guys, see you in the next episode. Bye guys.